Imagine a town where cars don't exist. Streets are replaced by canals, and the only way to get around is by boat or foot. Welcome to Giethoorn Netherlands, a magical village situated in the Dutch province of Overijssel, and often called the Dutch Venice. The story of Geithoorn dates back to the 13th century, when a group of settlers, mainly fugitives from the Mediterranean region, arrived in this marshy land. As they dug for peat, water filled the trenches, creating canals. Over time, these waterways became the village's main transport routes, replacing traditional roads. With no roads, the people of Giethoorn rely on boats, bicycles, and walking to navigate the village. Locals use whisper boats, which are silent, electric-powered boats, to move around without disturbing the peace. Wooden bridges connect houses, allowing people to walk from one place to another. Giethoorn's car-free charm has turned it into a major tourist destination. Most houses in the village are located on small private islands, which are connected by bridges. To be precise, there are more than 180 bridges in Giethoorn. The most famous cafe in Giethoorn is the Fanfare Cafe. It became well known after 1958, when the Dutch filmmaker Bert Hamstra partly shot his comedy Fanfare there. The high season in the Netherlands is the period between mid-April and mid-October. You can choose almost any date from this time to visit Giethoorn, but try to avoid August when the village becomes too crammed with tourists. Whatever you do, make sure you rent a boat while you're there. This is the best way to explore the village. The perspective from the water is much better than merely walking along the canals. Giethoorn is also amazingly popular among Chinese visitors. About 200,000 tourists from China come to the village every year. While living without roads seems idyllic, it has its challenges. During peak tourist seasons, the canals get overcrowded with boats. In winter, when the canals freeze, locals have to rely on ice skating or bicycles. And as tourism grows, Giethoorn faces the challenge of balancing its peaceful lifestyle with visitor demand. Efforts are being made to protect the village's unique charm while ensuring it remains a sustainable and beautiful place to live. Considering the fact that the total population of Giethoorn is just 2,620. This number looks very impressive, despite the number of tourists and the public attention gained from their monopoly win. Giethoorn is proof that a life without roads can be both peaceful and practical. It still remains as one of the most truly scenic and predominantly unspoiled destinations in Europe. Would you like to live in a place like this? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. Until next time, keep exploring.